Go.
Hey, this is Nate with Live Oak Exteriors, here to do a repair attempt for Miss Andersen. The time is currently 6:30 and the temperature is 75 degrees and dropping, and this video is for Allstate. So in order, this shingle right here is the one that I'm going to be replacing, that being why I have it underlined. So in order for me to take out the shingle, I have to unseal the two rows right above it. That's what I'm going to be doing now. And in the process of me unsealing the shingles, if there is an extreme amount of mat transfer, I am going to, or that is also damaged. So if my cameraman comes over here and he zooms into this right here, that is mat transfer. And what the mat transfer is the top of this shingle is actually sticking to the adhesive bond. So if there is a new shingle to go over it, the adhesive will bond onto this mat transfer and not the adhesive underneath it. I'm going to now go ahead and start the process of taking out these nails. It's going to require me to have a 45-degree angle. That way I am to properly, per manufacturer's specs, as well as Allstate, have a 45-degree angle to minimize any kind of extra unnecessary damage. That is the first row of nails taken out. I'm going to go right. There we are. These will be the final two. And as you can see, this shingle, or this nail right here, has just been rusted. So now, I'm just going to remove this shingle. So this one. That was the final nail. Take out the old shingle. This is my cameraman come over here. As you can see, there looks to be already some creasing going on. That being along the top of this shingle right here. This one, and I would believe it's starting to just right there. So now I'm going to put in a new shingle and start the nailing process. So I'm going to now demonstrate. As you can see, this shingle right here, obviously it has some degranulation. If I just rub my glove across it, you're not going to see all too much dislodging. However, from this crease right here that was not there prior, you can tell as I swipe my shingle or my glove across the shingle with the more dislodging of the granules, that goes to show the damage that was occurred here because of the failed repair temp. So the shingles that failed this one in particular are right here, this one right next to it, and down below. Actually, I would also say this one included. I will have this video sent over for review probably